Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing Huawei Nova 3i. Opening the box, firstly we have the phone. Let's put that aside and take a look at other contents inside the box. Inside the box we have this leaflet which consists of warranty information, quick start guide, SIM ejector tool, and Huawei have also included a clear case and also a screen protector to go with the phone. It has been a long time since I've seen a screen protector included in the box. Next we have a micro USB cable and then finally the power adapter. Now taking a look at the phone, here I'm turning it on for the first time and going through the setup process, during which we will be asked to register our fingerprint, which takes less than a minute, and fingerprint scanner is quick and responsive. Then we also will be asked to register face. Again, this takes less than a minute and it works quite well both for slide to unlock and also direct unlock. In terms of physical overview, on the front here we have two cameras, earpiece and sensors. It has a notification light which is very subtle. It is located underneath the earpiece. To the bottom we have capacitive buttons, to the right we have the power and volume buttons, and to the left we have SIM card slot. To the bottom we have speakers, noise cancelling microphone, micro USB port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. To the top we have secondary noise cancelling microphone. To the back we have dual lens camera with flash. Next to that we have fingerprint scanner. To the bottom we have Huawei branding and also SAR value. Those who are interested can pause the screen and take a look at it. So this particular variant is black color. Unfortunately the iris purple variant isn't available for some reason. When it comes to storage, it has 128 gigabytes of internal storage, out of which about 113 gigabytes is available out of the box, and it has 4 gigabytes of RAM, and it is running Oreo right out of the box. In terms of weight, it weighs at 172 grams. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.